Got the stacks moved back. We got some nice little cute mufflers tucked up under there. Psycho dog. Nothing fancy, just all my spare parts. Like I said, nothing fancy. I got a Nissan Pathfinder shifter in it, I know. Let's see what she sounds like. Oh, I gotta spray that torsioner down. Sounds pretty damn good. For a truck that was free and a whole bunch of spare parts. Nicely for hauling 2 snowmobiles for less than $1,000 to build it. I say that's a pretty good job done. Peace out.